Hello my dear friend. What is the most popular flower in the world? Of course it is the rose. We have here rose petals. And we love this flower because of its unique flower. And of course we want to make the essential oil out of rose and to enjoy this flower. But it's quite difficult to do. The thing that the petals of the rose has very low content of essential oil. It is absolutely minimum. To get 10 milliliters of essential oil out of rose petals, you need approximately 50 kilograms of this. To make essential oil out of rose, you need not tabletop equipment like this, but really industrial equipment. Of course, you can contact our manager and we can offer you some of them. Please do not hesitate to do it. Bye bye.